morning.
Hello.
We are in the house.
We are.
Obviously you guys have now seen like the kind of moving vlogs. I don't know how good they are yet, I haven't edited them. Like a really crazy couple of days. As moving is, if you've ever moved house, you know what it's like. It's just tiring, exhausting, crazy. We spent our first night here last night. Weird but good, but weird but good. Like loads of different noises, and the noises were animal noises. So we heard owls hooting, which was so nice, and also some kind of banshee screaming in the night.
Some really weird noises.
Yeah, we thought it was a dog, but it might have been a fox in the end.
Yeah.
It was like barking at the start, and then it was just screaming like meow, meow. We're in! Yay! I will go around and give you a little home update now, because although there's boxes absolutely everywhere, because I've only spent one night here yet, there are still boxes everywhere and just things everywhere that need putting away. So, but I'll show you kind of what we've done so far.
Yeah.
And I'll also show you the cats, because we moved the cats yesterday. That went quite successful, to be honest. Like the car journey was distressing, wasn't it?
It was, yeah. You just wanted it to be over as soon as we got in the car.
Like they just couldn't understand it, and they were just howling and panting, crying, and oh, it was quite sad. And then we brought them straight to the bedroom. We'd done the bedroom up before we took them to the house. They didn't know anything that was going on. They were actually so settled. They had no idea what was going on until they were in their little crates. So we done that really well, I think.
I think so. I don't think we could have done any more, to be honest.
I'll go and show you guys them in a minute. Yeah. We're in. It's going good. We just had breakfast, ready for a cozy day in, watching Christmas movies.
It's still September. Technically still summer.
Well, we did watch Hocus Pocus last night, and that was really nice. That was really cozy. I'm gonna just be unpacking today and see how the day unfolds. And we're making a nice spaghetti bolognese, so we'll show you like what food we're making and stuff. We haven't been to an Aldi yet near us. I know. But we have been to a co-op. There's a co-op like 5 minutes down the road, and we like co-op because co-op's all fair trade. But don't you worry, we will be going to Aldi very soon. It's a quick update, all kind of like foodie videos or like our challenge videos. They will be resuming, but in like a week or two. You know, we need to just settle down, like take a few days.
And we're living our best life. We
really are living our best life. So shall we go and just get on with the day? If you are new, by the way, my name is Sophie, this is Lawrence. We make 3 videos on this channel every single week. Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday, all about living your best life on a budget. So make sure you're subscribed. Okay, updates as far as the bedroom goes. I will give you a quick little update tour. We kind of worked on the bedroom the first thing. Obviously the bedroom is nowhere near done. There's still furniture to get and things like that. But it's livable and we don't have to unpack anything in here while it's still the cat's safe place. So let me show you the bedroom. There's our bed all set up with the mattress. The mattress is so comfy, by the way. There's still bits just lying around, but those things like really smell of the cats, so we're leaving them everywhere. I've got the cat tree in here at the moment. We're actually going to treat them to a new one when they feel happier in the house, and get rid of this big massive thing and treat them to a nicer new one, maybe like a creamy white one, and it just looks a bit nicer. And we will probably put it somewhere else in the house. This really smells like them and they love it, so I'm keeping this in here so they feel safe in here. I have my dresser over there. Obviously I need to get a mirror and a stool, and then actually put makeup in those 2 things and my moisturizers and things. I have the drawers open under the bed at the moment because the cats can sleep under there. They're currently asleep under there, so I'll leave them and then we can see them later in the vlog. But yeah, they're really cozy under there, which is nice. Now we have the nice windows with the nice views. They have actually been loving looking outside the window, looking at all the birds flying around, which has been really nice. And then yeah, we have the clothes. So I've got all of my cozy clothes up here, like all my jumpers basically, and then underwear, loungewear and PJs. And then in here I've got some dresses and longer things, and then there's my sports stuff under there. These cupboards we have Lawrence's stuff, so these are all for Lawrence. And in here is currently my jacket, like a nice jacket, but we'll put Lawrence's jackets in there as well, a yoga mat and some more extra coat hangers. And then in this cupboard we need to tighten these. We have towels and bed linen and just stuff that I need to put away, but I won't do anything until the cats are feeling themselves. And then we've got a cat tray, nice. There's a towel where their bowls are normally, I'm just refilling them at the moment, and they've got water like under the bed in one of these corners, like clean water, because you need to keep all these three things as far away as possible from each other.
I've been out walking. I don't do too much talking these days. These days I seem to think a lot about the things that I forgot to do. And all the time I had the chance to. Now I've stopped my rambling. I don't do too much gambling these days. These days I seem to think a lot about how the changes came about my way, and how I wonder if I'll ever see another highway. Now I had a lover, and I don't think I'll risk another.
We have done a lot, haven't we?
We have done an awful lot.
We have. I've obviously done some work. Now we've made, well, Lawrence has made an amazing spaghetti bolognese. We're gonna get cozy on the sofa and just eat a good dinner, good nutritious dinner, because we've been lacking nutrition for a little while. Light some candles, some autumnal candles. And what are we gonna watch?
Well, I'm a little bit embarrassed to say it, to be honest, but part of the deal was we could get this TV if I let Soph watch a not a Disney film, like my brain's fried, a Christmas film.
That was literally a deal.
You know, it's still September, it's still technically summer.
September means Christmas, but we're never going to agree, so we'll agree to disagree. We have to watch it on a DVD at the moment because we haven't got internet for another couple of days. I reckon we should watch The Grinch.
We can watch The Grinch.
Because the Polar Express is so special that I want to save it. Now we're going to light a candle, and what do you think we should light?
This one.
We have all of these, like these pumpkin-y ones.
Home Sense ones, but this one's special,
This one is Bath and Body Works, and it smells incredible. If you ever have the chance to get one, get one. But we also put it in the little candle holder here.
Do you know, it kind of smells like that kind of spiced apple, stewed apple kind of thing, doesn't it?
Yeah. Put it in this little candle holder here, which I also got from Bath and Body Works. I do know there's a Facebook group in the UK that you can order real Bath and Body Works stuff from. Air hostesses and people go across and buy this stuff, and it's still like quite relatively priced. So if you do really want stuff from Bath and Body Works, I will give you the link to the Facebook group. Just ask me in the comments below. Anyway, we're gonna light this candle, we're gonna put the Grinch on, and we're going to eat our spaghetti bolognese. And here's the special spaghetti bolognese. We're eating it out of a tray at the moment because we haven't got a dining table set up. We're just sitting on the stairs having a little chat. Maybe we'll call it Sophie Stairs Speaking. Sophie Stairs Chats. Hello. Oh, look at this brave girl. She loves the new house. She loves the new stairs for some reason. Anyway, so I wanted to come on and chat to you guys because I just wanted to have a nice chat. I love chatting with you guys. Got my cup of tea. This cup, as much as I love it because it's ridiculously autumnal and ridiculously Halloween-y, it's so hot to hold, like, because it's made of tin, and as soon as you heat tin up, it it bloody burns your hand. I actually got this last year from HomeSense, and I'm drinking a dandelion and heather leaf tea or something. It's really nice, but also really good for you. And then I've got a glass of water in a Halloween mug, a Halloween glass, and it says here for the booze. Firstly, life update number 1 is there's going to be so many more autumnally Christmassy videos coming up. We're definitely going back into doing my normal videos, which is like the foodie videos, some challenge videos, the kind of more informational videos. I'm just vlogging for the next week or two while I get my head around the fact that I've moved house and I've got a million other things on the go. So this is just working better for my current lifestyle. But as of I think 2 weeks, we're going to sit down and start filming some taste test videos, some blindfolded taste test videos. I think the first one back will be a complete vegan blindfold taste test, and then there will be the much awaited pizza overall taste test. So don't worry, those are coming. Another thing I want to update you on is I uploaded my first moving vlog, and actually I had quite a few questions about whether we are renting or buying at the moment, or going from renting to buying is like. And I just want to clear that up. Actually, I don't think I've actually spoken about it. I did speak about it properly, what we've done in a previous video. I had to cut it all out because I was rambling on for 45 minutes. You guys know what I'm like. This house we've just moved into, we're currently renting. And we have moved from a house that I owned. I bought a house when I was very young. I went to uni in Dubai while also getting into quite a good job over there. I was really lucky enough to be able to save. I bought a house through the 5% deposit scheme thing that the government do. So I was lucky to get on the property ladder very young. Actually sold my house, like it took like 2 years to sell my house because I bought it with an ex and broke up, blah, blah, blah. Don't know why I'm going on about this, but that's kind of like the backstory. So I was a homeowner, then I met Lawrence, blah, 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 started dating, and then we realised we want to live together, but it's quite difficult when you own houses that aren't together. So he needs to sell, his house needs to be sold, and now my house is sold. I feel... To cut a long story short, Lawrence and I want to buy our forever home. Basically, we want to buy our forever home. It needs to be a home that we're going to stay in for 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus years, that we raise our own children in, we never have to move again. Maybe a home with like land so we can expand on that. Moving house is like a really stressful thing. So now I've sold this house that I bought previously. I have learned so much. Like when you are very young and you have the fortunate opportunity to buy a house, I think you're so excited you just buy any house that you can afford, whereas really you need to like properly think about it. You need to think about the location, you need to think about whether you're happy to stay in that house for 10 plus years. Yeah, so that's like kind of my advice. Our next house that I buy actually will be with Lawrence. Like we've moved in together, we've got this place with renting. We're really lucky with this place though, because it basically is like our home. Like we can treat it like our home. We're able to redecorate, we're able to change this, change that. They're really laid back, the landlords. That's kind of why we went for this place, and also we wanted to test out what living in the country is like, because when we do buy our forever home, which is hopefully in a year or two, we will buy more in the countryside. It's like a lifestyle that suits us more. And we are country people. We want to kind of relocate to a more country house. So that's what we did. We were house buyers, sold our houses, and we're doing like intermittent renting. Decide properly where you want to live. And especially, you know, I haven't got children, so it's a lot easier for me. I don't have to like live near a school catchment area and stuff like that right now. I have the time to decide where I want to buy next. That's kind of like what I wanted to cover. I hope that like makes sense. But if you guys want me to make any videos about the buying process, because obviously I have bought a house, I know the best practices now. Our next house move will be hopefully our forever home, and it'll be a home that is even better than this one. And this one I'm already totally in love with. So yeah, I'm a very happy girl right now. And then what was the other thing? Did I mention we've got a HomeSense haul in the next video? No, there's going to be a HomeSense haul in the next video, by the way. So make sure you are subscribed down below. Come on. You're such a monkey. I am going to edit and sit on the sofa with a warm cup of tea and maybe a chocolate bar and just feel good. I'm grateful, I'm happy, I'm smiling, and I hope you guys are too. Part of the reason I'm so happy is to have you guys, by the way. Just know that. You guys are the flipping best. I love you very much. And I will see you again very, very soon. Mwah. Bye!